This is the 2023 range of motorhomes from Saragossa-based producer Illusion. This is the XMK730 motorhome, and let's have a look inside it right now. So what have we got here? First of all, we've got a bed, spare bed up there. We've got a L-shaped lounge, and with chairs all the way around, and we have got at the back this queen bed. And so it's a rather bright layout, and one thing I have to say immediately actually is I can walk around the bed without having to duck. Now, the point of that is in most motorhomes, queen bed, what you have to duck. I want to demonstrate this. In fact, I can demonstrate it better at the other side, because at the other side there is a mirror. And so let's come around to the mirror. There's me, and you see there's still a bit of space. And I cannot think off the top of my head of another queen bed motorhome where you can actually walk around like that. When the bed here is sort of in this up position, and I'll demonstrate this. You can see that's up. That will go down. Of course, when it goes down, then there's not so much space here to walk around, but it still can be done. So the bed is made by litre components in Italy, and I see the mattress is from Spain. Now, storage above and wardrobes on either side. There you go. Let's have a look in the wardrobe. Now, I mentioned the bed. Let's have a look under it. And you can see you also got storage under the bed as well. And we've got some drawers down here, and this is something I can't lift up, but I'll come back and have that a go some other time. Let's have a look at this. Can I lift this? Yes, I can. And then you can see you got the storage there as well. Toilet has a sensible sliding door. Can I use the toilet? Stand here in the toilet. Well, there's not a lot of room, but then again, it is a motorhome, and so it is it's a bit of a squash, but it's doable. Yeah, I think I can urinate into it anyway without any problems with the door closed. Let's have a look on the other side. There's the shower. Doors will actually open, no, they only open one way, and it's quite deep. Let's have a look at how big the shower is, and to do that, we'll point the camera the other way. Look at all this space here. Good, eh? And also, I didn't mention this. There you go. Storage in there as well. I think that could do some more shelves though. Bearing in mind that it's in the toilet, where you're more likely to keep I don't know, things like shampoo and soap and things like that, I believe, rather than long things, or maybe I'm just not keeping my wrong things in the place everybody else keeps them in. There's a door here which can close off this part of the van to keep the riffraff who's sleeping up front out. We've got 3 burners here, and a rather nice sink down here. More storage. 230, 12. That's the amount of volts you get, sorry, from the plugs. Bit of storage there. 3 burners, and a fridge that opens both ways. Right, and I didn't bring the key, but so I can't show you this thing here coming down, which is a pity. but I have brought it down in other videos. The table will turn around 360 degrees, and it will actually go down and make a bed. Well, it wasn't a very big bed, but it could theoretically go down and make a bed as well. I do rather like the chairs and the coverings here. In fact, I'll go and sit round here and you can see what the van looks like from here in my favourite seat, which is, oh, it's quite this is comfortable. It's quite hard, and I like that. At the under the fridge, but on this side you've got a little storage place to put shoes in, I suppose. And you can check yourself in the mirror before going out on the campsite. Integrated mosquito, what do you call them? Mosquitiera. That's for the toilet. And here's the garage, which is currently locked. It's probably got their stuff for this trade fair in there. Let's have a look at a couple of other vans while we're here. This is a 6-meter vehicle and 235 centimeters across, but it's got a lot of features which I think are really interesting. Double bed at the back, storage here with access to the garage, fridge there, extra bed here, table, 2 burners. The burners are the parts have been removed. Sink, and if you want to see a larger one, we'll nip into this one here. This is the 7-meter version, 690, which comes with, it's very similar, I suppose, for all the sizes, just sometimes they're bigger. This one has got 3 burners. It's got fridge here, and it's got a German layout at the back. Toilet exactly the same as in the last one we saw. And I'll show you this one here. It's a new one here, which is an integrated vehicle. It's 7 meters long, although inside it looks much longer. It's got a queen bed in the back. It's got a double floor, and it comes with the option of a bed up front as well. When you haven't got the bed, you've got all of this space available. And now the design isn't original. I mean, there's been a number of companies doing designs like this for some time, but I think it comes across quite well. Well, for this one here though, you're talking around nearly 100,000 euros. Forgot there was a step there. There's the step. So let's have a look in this one as well. 740 centimeters long, so it's a 740 version. Another thing I really like actually these vans, I like the lighting. I think it works really well. It's got a separate toilet and shower, single beds, and once more with plenty of storage inside. This is a 6-meter van. What's curious about this is the rear lounge. Now the shower is the same as a couple of the other ones we saw, but now this bed above it, I think actually personally I just want to get rid of it. You can make a bed below in any case using the table, and these two single beds up here, I think it's a bit I think it's going over the top, but only that, it's also impinging on the headroom. Nonetheless, rear lounge motorhome. It's 6 meters. It is 235 centimeters across, but it's a very unusual length, if you like. Also, the garage is comparatively big for a rear lounge motorhome. So I've given you a quick walk around here. This is the one I wanted to show you, the 730 from Illusion. So thanks very much for watching. Plenty more videos on this channel, and if you're interested, then please subscribe. All the best from me in Dusseldorf.